Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching Windows Universe. In this video, we are going to learn how to fix Notification Center not opening on Windows 11. So usually, when you click on Notification Center icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, it should open just like this, right? But if in your case, nothing happens, don't worry, I have got you covered. Follow these steps and we will fix it together. First of all, open File Explorer. Now expand this PC and go to C drive. Now open users folder. Then find your username folder and open it. Now open app data folder. If you don't see app data folder here, it might be hidden. No worries, just click on view. Now click on show and make sure hidden item is checked. Now you should be able to see app data. Open it.
Tap local.
Now here, find Microsoft folder and open it. Now inside Microsoft folder, look for Windows folder. Here you can see Windows folder. Open it. And then find notification folder. Before you make any changes, it will always a good idea to create a backup. Suppose if in any case something goes wrong, then it will be good if you have a backup, right? Okay, to do that, right click on notification folder, select copy and paste it somewhere safe, like on desktop. Once you have a backup, delete the notification folder. To do so, right click on notification and tap on this dustbin icon. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.